Hello, welcome to Double Digit Addition with Carrying by Marie Internet. What is carrying and why is it tougher? Let's take a look. See if you can spot the problem here. I've got 14 plus 18, and everybody knows that you start on the right-hand side with your ones column doing your addition, where the arrow is. We do 4 plus 8, and that gives me, that gives me a 12. But I only have room at the bottom for one number. 12's got 2 digits. That is a problem. The right thing to do in that situation is to carry. See what happened? The 2 got to stay. Let me grab a pen, I'll show you. So from the 12 that we got, 4 plus 8 is 12. Here's my 12. The 2 got to stay, and the 1 got carried over, hence the grocery basket. Well, why does that happen? And which number gets to be carried? Which number gets to stay? Let's take a look. If we know when we divide with the dotted line fence, the right-hand side is for bits and the left-hand side is for towers only. Well, I drew my bits, 4 number here, 4 purple bits here, the 8 number here in gray, 8 gray bits here. Well, I have enough bits to lock them up into a tower. Take a look. Here's my 8. And I only need to grab 9 and 10, boom, right there, I get a 10 tower. Towers don't belong on this side. Look, this is the bit side. He's on the wrong side of the fence, so we need to carry him over. See what this looks like? There's my 10 tower. He belongs in the basket to carry him over. And there are 2 lonely bits left on the correct side of the fence. Bits here, towers over there. So we get the 2 because these 2 little bits are remaining, hence the 2 down here in the ones column. And over here, we get the 1 tower, there he is, that was carried over. So you can't forget to write that above your tens column. Now I've got 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that equals 3. This is what it looks like all cleaned up. 4 plus 8 is 12. I kept the 2. I carried the 1 over. 1 plus 1 plus 1 gave me 3 for a total of 32. Get your pencils ready. Turn your paper over to problem A and we can do it together. Again, I gave you an easy one like the example. We've got an 8 plus a 4 and we know that it's going to be a double-digit answer. So we know it's going to be 12. So here's my 8. I take 2 of those bits and guess what that turns into? A tower. Do towers belong on the bit side of the dotted line fence? No way. The tower has to be carried over. Let's get rid of them. Put them over here. The 1 lands in my shopping basket. I drew a fancy one. You can just do a plain one. And I'm going to represent that other tower that just came over in the shopping basket with his own tower picture. So this 1 red tower joins the 2 black towers that were there for the 20 and the 1 black tower that was there for the 14. Let's do the math. I've got 2 bits left over, so he stays. 8 plus 4, 12. There's the 2. Carry that 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 gives me a 4. All right, everybody. The answer for that should have been 42. Let's try the next one together. I'll give you some hints. We're on problem B. We're looking at 6 plus 8. I know that that equals a 14. So show me your 6 bits. 1, 2, 3. They don't have to be neat. Look at mine. They're hardly bits. They're more like circles. And then 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 bits and 8 bits. I know that I've got 8 here, so I'm going to lock it up with 2 of these, and that becomes a tower for my basket. We're going to take it over to the correct side, and here's my tower. He came over to visit. There was already a tower here for this one from the 16 and this one from the 18. So these bits are gone. Which bits are left? I've got this bit left, this bit left, this bit left, and this bit left. That's 4 bits, which makes sense because 6 plus 8 is 14. So the 4 stays here, and the 1 from my 10 tower gets carried over in the basket, And now I'm looking at a 1 plus a 1 plus a 1. Too easy. 34. That gives me that answer. Try the rest on your own while we walk through the room and help you out.